Listen to me. If you want to add something in your life, oh yeah, be prepared to subtract something. Adding equals subtracting in this plane of existence we're in. Believe it. Your boy C Nashty with the message from God through my mouth to your ears is letting you know right now that simply to add something in your life, you have to make space for the incoming. You get what I'm saying? You want new, so that means you have to get rid of the old. Adding equals subtracting. What do you have to take out of your life? What needs to be removed? What blockages are in your life right now that are holding you back from your true potential? Let me know in the comment section. And even if you don't want to let me know, just say, what's up, my boy? I get my life in the comment section. But think about what I'm saying, chosen ones. And this video is strictly for chosen ones, not the less than smart ones, the damn LTSOs, because they will never understand what I'm talking about. And C Nasty means never. Back to what I was saying. Listen, these people, no, not these people. What was I saying? What was I saying? You want to add something in your life? You got to say goodbye to something else. Feel me? Because typically that something else is what's really holding you back. It's what's really, it's taking the place, it's taking the place of what you're trying to acquire. It's so simple. You could have a friend, right? You could have a friend, good friend, you know, and y'all two get along. And you could tell this person, oh, what you see in your visions of the future, feel me? This and that, the change that you want to make. But yet, in this person's eyes, all they see is the old version of you, feel me? They will only see the old version of you. They can never see that true new version that you know you are, feel me? Because you're the one that cultivated and nurtured that person inside of you to become the person. Feel me? So you want to get all these new things in your life, but yeah, you have the old that still keeps you in that mental paradigm, you know what I'm saying, of the old. You won't be able to add. That's what I'm telling you. Adding equals subtracting. And I want you to really instill that in your mind on your journey, because that's the only way to true liberation is to realize that some people, places, or things are the reasons. Either one, your manifestations are moving super duper slow, or two, your manifestations are not coming at all. Feel me? And I've been through these things. That's why I'm even on here ranting about these things. Feel me? Listen, if you know what I'm talking about, hit me in the comment section and let others know what they could expect once they do subtract and add and subtract. Feel me? I'm out of here, man. One love.